What to consider when buying construction equipment. First, define your needs. Understand what specific equipment you require for your projects. Next, assess the total cost of ownership. Look beyond the purchase price and consider maintenance, fuel, and other costs. Evaluate equipment quality and durability. Choose machines that will stand the test of time. Consider equipment versatility. Multifunctional machines can save you time and money. Check for compliance with regulations. Ensure your equipment meets all necessary standards. Review after-sales support and service. Reliable support can make a big difference in the long run. Consider financing options. Explore different plans to find what fits your budget best. Assess technology and features. Advanced features can enhance productivity. Plan for operator training. Proper training is crucial for safety and efficiency. Finally, think about resale value. Quality equipment can provide a good return on investment. Buying construction equipment involves careful consideration of various factors to ensure you make a wise investment.